Good morning. So today we discuss an important topic that is botanical nomenclature. So here the process of naming plants based on international rules proposed by botanists to ensure stable and universal system is called botanical nomenclature. It is an essential process to overcome the problems of common names. The botanist agreed to lay down certain rules and conditions. The main suggestion was that language should be in a Latin, as it is not a national language of any country, and moreover it is a dead language. So, a lot of previous literature is written in Latin language. The ICBN is an agreement between botanists around the world to follow bionomical system of naming. So here the history of ICBN. So before the middle of 18th century, the names of plants were polynomial consisting of several words. Linnaeus proposed elementary rules in his book named Philosophia Botanica in 1951. So in 1813, A.P.D. Candolle proposed details of the rules regarding plant nomenclature in Theorie Elementaire de la Botanique. So in 1867, Alphonse G. Candolle, son of A.P.D. Candolle, convened a meeting of all botanists to present these rules. This first botanical congress was held at Paris, and the laws formed therein were called as Paris Code. In 1930, the Fifth International Botanical Congress (IBC) was held in England to frame rules and regulations for naming plants. In July 1975, 12th meeting was held at Leningrad, USSR. Based on the resolutions of these meetings, the existing system of International Code of Botanical Nomenclature was adopted from 1978. The IBC meets every 5 to 6 years to decide any additions or changes in the naming and numbering of plants. So, in the 18th IBC Congress was held at Melbourne in 2011, and the latest 19th IBC was held in Shenzhen, China in July 2017. So here principles of ICBN, and this is important to remember these principles here. So botanical nomenclature is not depend upon geological nomenclature, and it is different than that. The code of botanical nomenclature applies equal to all names of taxonomic groups which are treated as plants. The names of taxonomic groups are determined by nomenclature types. When a species is described as new, the author must indicate the types of specimen on which new species is based. The nomenclature of taxonomic group is based on priority of publication. Each taxonomic group with a particular circumscriptions, position and route can bear only one correct name, that is in accordance with the rules, except in specific cases. Scientific names are treated as Latin irrespective of their derivation. The rules of nomenclature are retroactive unless expressly limited here. So the aim of ICBN to provide stable method of nomenclature to avoid and reject the names with a cause confusion, to avoid useless creation of names. And the code is divided into rules and recommendations. For example, are added to the rules and recommendation to illustrate that the objective of the rules is to bring past nomenclature into order and to follow rules for future nomenclature here. The objective of the recommendations is to bring uniformity and a clearness in future nomenclature. So next, ranks and ending of taxa names. How we give ranking here? The plant kingdom is divided into number of categories with a different in their rank and size. In biological classification, rank is the relative position in a taxonomic hierarchy. For example of taxonomic ranks are species, genus, family, order, etc. Each rank subsumes under it a number of less general categories. The basic unit in the classification of plant is species. A species is defined as a single type of living organisms. And a group of closely related species is known as genus here. For example, the genus Hibiscus. It is a common example here. The genus Hibiscus is made up of closely related species with different in their vegetative characters. The group of closely related genera is known as family. Scientific name of a family usually ends in a ACA. For example, Hibiscus belongs to a family Malvaceae. It consists of several genera like Gossypium, that is cotton, and Abelomoscus, that is lady's finger, etc. A group of closely related families is known as order. Scientific name of an order is ends in ales, ALES. For example, here Hibiscus order is Malvaceae, which includes family like Malvaceae and Dipterocarpaceae. When these groups are large, they are subdivided as suborder, subfamily, subtribe, subgenus. They all end in a standardized manner shown below. You can see here the chart. They are given a rank how we means stepwise how we categorize and ending the names. So division always ends with phyta. Division always ends with a phyta. Class always ends with Opsida. Right? And a subclass always ends with the idea. Order ends with the ALES, that is nothing but a Malvaceae, and a suborder Malvaceae, Malvaceae. And family ends with the ACA, that is Malvaceae, and subfamily Oideae, right? And here, for example, some families are there which do not end with the ACA. So they are provided with alternative names. So here some families are there which will not end with the ACA, but they have a alternate names here. For a cruciferae, they are having alternate name Brassicaceae, Compositae that have a Asteraceae, Gramineae we call Poaceae, Gutiferae we call Clusiaceae, and a leguminosae having a Fabaceae, and a Palmae having a Archaceae, and a Umbelliferae Apiaceae. So these are alternative names of the families. So today we studied principles, right, and the ranks. So in the next another important topic, that is rules of a botanical nomenclature. Thank you.